It was my honor to evaluate the development of Neltharion's Dracthyr. Unfortunately, they were too volatile to control. But where others see failure, I see opportunity. This early attempt at creating Dracthyr yielded a subject too violent to control. Yet, there is value in documenting the carnage it generates. You will serve nicely as new test subjects.
I will beat you into pulp! Shattering roar! Bone splinter!
Obviously, our first prototype lacked the desired strength. The next iteration was imbued with excessive arcane power.
Poised to smite!
Unstable arcane circuits was useless, so we refined the infusion process.
Die, lesser things! You'll still do nothing! Witness my strength!
Your performance is beyond my expectations.
Wait, you knew these creatures were waiting to be unleashed?
Of course, and you rose to the challenge, as I knew you would.
This all seems questionable. How malleable is this vision of yours?
I was afraid of this. The process used to create you I doubt I'll have with my true-born heir.